This is a week of peace, and Okonkwo was mad at his third wife, Ojuogo, for getting her hair done.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world.
Whoa, your hair. I know, don't you like it? Sexy. I know, right? I've been saying to you. So, how do you want your hair?
I want something that screams hot.
Hot.
But not too catchy, just hot.
I can totally do that for you.
Okay.
Okay, I'm finished.
Can I see myself, please?
Oh, sure, hold on.
Wow, this is on fire.
Where's Ojuogo?
She went to braid her hair.
Did she ask you to feed the children before she left?
Yes, she did. Oh, but look what I got for you today.
Oh. No! Where were you?
Finish him!
Oh my god, is he hiding? Okonkwo is beating up his third wife. He's broken a week of peace.
Listen to me, Okonkwo. You have broken the week of peace. You need to give to Annie shrine tomorrow a she-goat, a length of cloth, a hen, and 100 cows. No! You better. No!
Ani, goddess of the earth, I have come to repay you for breaking the week of peace. I'm very sorry. Here's a length of cloth, a hen, 100 calories, and a she-goat, which must be dead.
Of the New Yam.
Let's get down to biz.
Who killed this tree? What's...
Second day of the Feast of the New Yams.
Umofia! 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 Umofia!
I'm blue, I've been deed, I've been died.
Oh my god,
Listen to me, Okonkwo. You have brought evil.
The second
Boy,
day
stop.
of the Feast of the New Yam.
Girl fight.
Subliminal, broke Valentine.
Big boy here.
A little John.